Good afternoon, and welcome to Taiwan Excellence Mobility webinar titled Lights, Cameras, Electronics, and Cockpits, Hot Innovations from Taiwan for Automotive Market. My name is Haley Schwartz, and I will be your MC for today. We are looking forward to unveiling automotive breakthroughs from some of Taiwan's most innovative companies during this webinar. These products are technologically advanced systems and components that drastically improve performance, safety, and comfort for drivers around the world. In recent years, some Taiwan brands and their products are also increasingly embraced by American buyers too. Today, we'll spotlight advancements from 10 of Taiwan's trailblazing automotive parts manufacturers, some of whom are recipients of the prestigious Taiwan Excellence Award. Now, please allow me to introduce you to C.K. Wu, the Executive Vice President of the Taiwan Transportation Vehicle Manufacturers Association, to provide us with his insights on the Taiwan automotive industry.
大家好，我是车辆工会吴志奎副秘书长。今天很荣幸跟大家在线上碰面。大家都说台湾的汽车零件怎么这么厉害？可以行销全世界。那么今天我就来跟大家分享台湾的汽车零件强在哪里，台湾在全球的地位又如何。第一个，台湾的汽车零件品质无虞。为什么品质无虞？因为有建立很好的品质制度，有很好的品质管理，所以相关的 ISO、TS 其实在台湾都是最基础的要求。第二，我们具有弹性生产和快速反应市场的能力。第三，我们的汽车零件车型覆盖率非常高，最主要的原因是我们的业者敢于投资模具，而模具工业在台湾是非常发达，支援汽车工业没有问题。我们的产品开发技术能力是非常强的，当然主要是有充沛的人才，我们的制造营运的管理是非常上轨道的，也是非常有效率。我们结合台湾的 ICT 技术，所以车辆电子产品也是我们的竞争的一个强项。因为新兴产品的兴起，也造就了很多的机会，例如我们电动车，例如我们的车辆电子智慧驾驶、无人驾驶，所以我们运用我们的平台的资源，还有网络的这个扩散，所以我们的汽车零件也即将走入新的面貌。接着来看我们汽车零件输出的金额和所涵盖的全球的区域。那首先要提醒各位，我们输出的金额是传统的机械类在 CC Code 上面找得到汽车零件的税号而统计出来的数字，这不包括我们新兴在车辆电子领域的产品，例如面板、车辆镜头、车辆用的影音系统、车辆电子控制单元等等。如果把这些车辆电子产品也一概含入进来的话，我们的输出金额会突破100亿元美金。那再来看我们输出的区域，就是以美洲区域为主要，达到57%到58%。当然，美洲包括了加拿大、美国、墨西哥、中南美等等国家。再来就是欧洲地区，它的比重也达到了17%。再来是亚洲、中东、非洲都有我们的产品啊，所以由这个数字看起来，台湾的汽车零件的输出每年都是维持一定的水准啊，请各位可以参考。美国是全球汽车零件最大的一个市场，在2019年，它输入的金额高达美金1600亿元。台湾在2019年占美国输入的第8位。各位可以看到，在台湾排名之前有包括加拿大、墨西哥，当然他们是最大宗，因为他们有北美自由贸易的协定。那其他包括日本、包括韩国、德国，都是汽车产业非常发达的国家，而台湾可以排名到 第8位，输出金额约34亿美金，所以可以想见，台湾对美国市场具有一定的重要的一个地位跟角色。再来，我们来看一下今年上半年台湾汽车零件输出的表现。由这张表非常特别的一点，各位可以看到右边一栏全部都是正成长，而且很多国家都是2位数字的成长。当然，今年因为各国疫情的缘故，多多少少影响了生产，反而台湾虽然疫情也有一些影响，但是基本上我们的生产都是很顺利，没有造成障碍，所以很多都需要台湾汽车零件的供应，所以我们上半年的成长跟去年的同期来比较的话，我们有达到快17% 的一个成长的幅度，所以台湾在这个时机可以想见，对我们全球的汽车产业具有一定的影响力。希望今天的简报能增进大家对台湾汽车零件的认识，也竭诚欢迎大家来和台湾做生意。这是我的联络的信箱，欢迎大家指教，谢谢大家。
Thank you, Mr. Wu, for providing us with that fascinating context on Taiwan's automotive industry. Next, offering a U.S. perspective, is the editor of Aftermarket News, Amy Antenora. Ms. Antenora has reported on the automotive aftermarket since 2002, covering news and events in the U.S. and worldwide. Amy currently serves as editor for the AMN flagship brand, which includes the AMN Daily, AMN Global, AMN Weekly, and AMN People e-newsletters, as well as AMN Magazine. She joins us today to speak on the U.S. automotive aftermarket industry and Taiwan's contribution. Welcome, Ms. Antenora.
Hello, and welcome to the Taiwan Excellence Mobility webinar. I'm Amy Antenora, editor of Aftermarket News, a Babcock's media publication, and I am so pleased to be here with you today. My sincere thanks to the Taiwan External Trade Council for inviting me to join all of you. The theme of today's event is Lights, Cameras, Cockpits, Hot Innovations for the U.S. Auto Parts Aftermarket, and we have so many exciting innovations to talk about today. The U.S. Auto Parts Aftermarket is experiencing a period of robust growth. Despite the debilitating slowdown that COVID caused for the auto industry, the aftermarket has remained incredibly stable. Supply chain challenges and chip shortages have led to an increase in demand within the used car market, particularly with the increased prevalence of car buying websites and apps today. Annual used car sales in the U.S. are typically 2 to 2.5 times the number of new car sales, and the market has grown by 6.5% over the past 10 years. In addition, the average vehicle age in the U.S. has once again increased to 12.1 years, according to IHS Markit. For the aftermarket, the increased presence of older used vehicles on the road today leads to strong aftermarket parts sales and increased maintenance and repair orders. Another exciting area of opportunity is electric vehicles. Due to both consumer interest and government mandates to reduce emissions, the electric vehicle market is taking off. Research and Markets estimates that we will see upwards of 215 million EVs on the road by 2030, compared to just 31 million EVs on the road in 2017. Increased demand for quality aftermarket parts and the ability to receive them quickly and easily will also create demand in the e-commerce space, as we have seen in this past year. Revenues from online sales in the aftermarket are estimated to grow at 14% this year, according to Frost & Sullivan. And e-commerce is predicted to emerge as a mainstream distribution channel by 2025, the firm finds. As a whole, the auto parts aftermarket is expected to reach $448 billion by 2025, according to Research and Markets. Taking all of these trends into account, the U.S. auto parts aftermarket is primed to experience continued growth. Taiwan will play a significant role in supporting this continued progress. Taiwan's industry expertise in creating high-quality automotive parts makes it well-suited to adapt to changing trends shaping the industry today. As a complete supply chain made up of small to medium-sized enterprises, the Taiwanese automotive market offers greater flexibility and a wider selection to meet evolving needs in today's vehicle market. From aftermarket and OEM parts for maintenance to advanced technology that supports last-mile delivery and EVs. With a smaller domestic market, Taiwan's manufacturers look to exports as a key revenue source. Today, the U.S. accounts for more than 40% of Taiwan's exports, making it the largest market for Taiwan auto parts. Main exports include vehicle lighting, tires, suspension, and transmission systems. One important focus is on environmentally friendly auto parts, such as LED headlights and other new energy sources. These developments support not only the demand for EVs, but also support consumers in the used car market looking for ways to upgrade older models with environmentally friendly replacement parts. I can't wait to see what our 10 innovative brands have in store for us today.
Thank you, Ms. Antenora, for joining us today and sharing your perspective. Now it's time to hear directly from 10 of Taiwan's automotive companies. Our first segment will focus on e-mobility with representatives from MiTAC Digital Technology, EverFocus, MobileDrive, and Noodoe. Our first featured company is CUB Elecparts. Founded in 1979, CUB first made its name by manufacturing electrical switches and has since grown into a global automotive leader in electrical parts. Its innovative millimeter radar blind spot detection system and integrated tire pressure sensors are leading the way to make the road safer for all vehicles. To speak more about these systems, please welcome CUB's Sales Director, Ms. Sharon Wu.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Sharon Wu, Head of Sales for CUB Elecparts Inc., the road safety expert. We develop products to keep vehicles safe on the road. Founded in 1979 with several patents to our name, we have earned the reputation of customers around the world. Today, I'm going to tell you about 3 innovative products for better road safety. I'm sure you are all aware that traffic is worse and more dangerous than ever before. The United States in 2019 alone recorded more than 60,000 deaths from traffic accidents. Around the world, many traffic accidents are the result of distracted driving. And while there are various ADAS devices for passenger cars to prevent these tragedies, that's not true for other vehicles, like trucks or motorcycles. Here's where CUB comes in. We have developed an innovative millimeter wave radar blind spot detection, so-called BSD, to help truckers and motorcycle users be safer on the road. First, let me tell you about our millimeter wave radar solutions for large vehicles. Compared to other solutions, our millimeter wave radar can work in all weather conditions and over wide areas and long distances. We have a Combo Plus One solution for the comprehensive coverage of large vehicles and a single combo radar solutions for ECE R151 regulations. Our Combo Plus One version has even more comprehensive features and coverages. Blind spot detection, so-called BSD, and lane change alert, so-called LCA, functions on both sides of vehicles, and wide turn assist, so-called WTA, on the driver's side. Basically, the BSD and LCA functions work much like the features on the passenger cars. The wide turn assist, WTA, on the other hand, is an important feature that prevents collision caused by blind zones, which occur when large vehicles make wide turns. CUB has also developed an optional enhanced version, the single combo radar. Demand for compliance with ECE R151 regulations is growing. Starting in 2022, the European Union, EU, and Japan will mandate that all large vehicles to be equipped with a blind spot information system, so-called BSIS, in order to comply with ECE R151. We believe that we will see more and more countries adopt this regulation as their technical standard for commercial vehicles. Take a look at our video to see demonstrations of our ECE version. also cares about the safety of motorcycle users. We have a blind spot detection radar system for these users too. Take a look at our video to see what we are offering now.
Sensar's blind spot detector, BSD by CUB, helps assist drivers to avoid unseen vehicles or motorcycles while driving. The Sensar BSD system is designed for motorcycles, inclusive of sports bikes, cruisers, tourers, scooters and more. The Sensar blind spot detection kit can be easily mounted onto your motorcycle. Then cables are run to the seat and front of the motorcycle to display on your indicators. The system uses advanced radar sensors that you have mounted to detect other vehicles that are in or approaching your blind spot. The detection zone of the system covers both right and left adjacent lanes up to 30 feet of range and is automatically activated when your motorcycle is started. When a moving vehicle is within your warning zone or approaching at high speed, resulting in an impact, the warning indicator lamps will illuminate to notify you of the possible danger. Our lane change alert feature will notify you with a haptic vibration unit and flashing indicator lamps corresponding to your turn signal during a lane change when a vehicle is detected approaching at high speeds.
In addition to blind spot detection, one of the other important vehicle safety issues is tire pressure status. Our mission is to be the guardian of road users. Our TTVMA tire pressure monitoring system helps drivers aware and prevent flat tire in advance. CUB is the first company to integrate TTVMA sensor and a programming tool into a starter kit for repair workshops to quickly and easily make TTVMA replacements. We offer nearly 100% coverage of vehicle models. We launched the Gen 4 sensor programming tool lately, and with all its various functions, we believe it will become the tire mechanic's best tool ever. Take a look at our product in action. We want to create a safer road environment, and with you, we can. Together, we can make the road safer for all users. Please contact our sales representative email or visit our website for more information. Thank you.
Our next company, MiTAC Digital Technology, embraces next-generation AIoT, i.e. Artificial Intelligence of Things, to create advanced smart dash cams that help users navigate life and the road with increased peace of mind and performance. Here to talk about dash cams made for everyone from trucking fleet managers to everyday commuters, please welcome MiTAC Product Manager, Mr. Sam Yang, and Sales Manager, Mr. Andy Chen.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam Yang, Product Manager at MiTAC Digital Technology, one of the world's trusted leaders in automotive electronics. At MDT, our vision is to make auto transportation safer, smarter, and more comfortable by embracing the power of next wave technology to create dashcam, smart camera, navigation system, ADAS, and more. According to the U.S. National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of work-related deaths in the countries. That's why many employers, such as law enforcement and the long-haul truckers, have traditionally relied on dashcam to improve safety. Dashcam not only record vehicles accidents, but also help to monitor drivers to improve their driving behaviors and make the road safer for all. This phenomenon has caught on around the world, just as we use cell phones to document our lives, doorbell camera to monitor our homes. Every day, commuters are increasingly turning to dashcams to record events on the roads. For proving no fault in insurance disputes, to protecting the parked car from vandalism and theft, many consumers are recognizing the value of dashcams. Our goal is to help every driver, from truckers to car commuters to motorcyclists, unlock the benefit of dashcam. Please allow me to introduce our sales manager, Andy Chen, to walk you through the 4 products for each of these vehicle types. First, I'd like to introduce you our GPS dashcam products in the US market, the MyView 79A and the MyView 733. MyView 79A uses Sony's sensor and provides 2.5K video resolution, and the MyView 733 provides full HD video quality. Both built-in high-sensitivity GPS chipset to lock GPS tracking data into the videos. This GPS technology also includes speed camera data across the United States, offering an alert when drivers approach a speed camera. The best thing is the Mio also provides Wi-Fi. Press orange emergency button to lock the emergency video and quick backup the video to the smartphone. Then users could send the video to insurance company or police as evidence right away. You can also use Wi-Fi to update your Mio dashcam in an easy way. 4 times brightness with Sony's premium Starvis CMOS sensor provides much better low-line performance comparing to general camera sensor. It gives users more protection even driving at night or in dark conditions. We are also excited to introduce you our newest consumer dashcam product, the MyView A92D and the MyView AA6. The MyView A92D is the first 2K video recording resolution for both front and rear camera in the market. The outstanding feature just won 2021 Computex Best Choice Award from Taiwan. Meanwhile, the AA6 features a number of upgrades, including the 4K video quality, 120 frames per second slow motion video, 5th generation Wi-Fi technology, and HDR to improve overexposed video footage. One more thing, MyView AA6 built-in Bluetooth Low Energy to transfer car's location to your smartphone. By Bluetooth technology, user can know where she or he parked the car and realize the mileage report from MyView Pro app. Both MyView A92D and the AA6 are planned to launch in Europe market first by Q4 this year. SRP is €249. It will be rolled out to other regions sooner or later.
Aside from the end customer GPS dash camera, I would like to introduce you to the MiTAC series, an all-in-one connected camera solution bringing innovation to trucking fleet management. This innovative video telematics solution is built on a powerful Corp processor and Android platform for outstanding processing performance and flexible system. Through our flexible SDK and API, you can conduct easy cloud integration and make use of our AI solution, including ADAS and driver monitoring system to better monitor your fleet. Equipped with dual full HD cameras, the MiTAC series capture continuous road-facing and in-cabin recording, providing video evidence when there's an unexpected event occurs. The K series can also expand fleet management solution by connecting to controller area network for accessory integrations. Its temperature-resistant industrial-graded design, along with high-speed 4G LTE remote live view capabilities, makes the MiTAC series a trusted solution to optimize fleet efficiency and improve driver safety. Moreover, MiTAC also launched a new multifunctional gateway device fit for different usage scenarios, the M series. The Qualcomm processor and Android platform, along with flexible SDK and API, allow the possibility for the user to build their own unique solution to adapt different applications. The M series is widely expandable with multiple interfaces, including USB, GPIOs, CAN bus, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, allowing the users to connect to various accessories such as camera or tablets. With its compact and durable casing design, the MiTAC M series can work under harsh environment, giving the users an ease of their mind. I hope our introduction of MiTAC's product in automotive and AIoT sector give you a brief concept of what we do and our capabilities. If you are interested in any of our products, please contact us via MDT's website. Please fill in your request in our general inquiry form or email us via business@mitacmdt.com. We're happy to help you to discover more about our company.
Our next company aims to jumpstart smart transportation with a robust range of turnkey solutions, including industrial vehicle PCs integrated with the latest AI to monitor driver fatigue, component status, GPS tracking, and more. Please welcome the President and CEO of EverFocus Electronics, Mr. John Chuang, to tell us how EverFocus is improving vehicle security solutions.
Hi, welcome to EverFocus. My name is John Chuang, President of EverFocus Electronics. EverFocus is an award-winning company that is founded in 1995 with ISO 14001 quality management system. All of our products are made in Taiwan, manufactured in our manufacturing headquarters in New Taipei City, Taiwan. We provide turnkey intelligent mobile security solution with a global service location in United States, Europe, Japan, and China. EverFocus provides turnkey intelligent mobile security solution, especially to help implement smart city applications such as in transportation, building management, law enforcement, as well as campus security. We provide a wide range of intelligent security solutions ranging from analog solutions such as traditional CCTV camera and DVR, and to digital solutions such as IP camera and NVR. And lately, with the increasing demand in the mobile security solution, we also started coming out with the mobile NVR that is highly compatible with different type of camera as well as security infrastructure. And aside from the hardware device, we also provide turnkey and also our standard off-the-shelf central management system software. And then keep in mind that all of our solutions actually are very compatible with all the existing third-party central management system in the market. And on top of that, our devices are designed to be very easy for the installer to install into the field. With an increasing demand of AI capability implemented onto the security solution, we also partner with Intel and NVIDIA to implement our mobile security server with AI capability. Leveraging the AI capability, we can also help making the driver's driving experience safer and more manageable, such as we leverage the AI capability within our mobile security solution to help detect driver's fatigue, as well as using the multi-channel monitoring capability to conduct blind spot detection. Some of our latest deployment examples, including our mobile NVR for intelligent transportation management system. So for city planning around public transportation, we enable the intelligent fleet management system using our mobile DVR installed in the bus and also in the bus station itself, and leveraging the GPS tracking, so the fleet management center can real-time understanding where the bus location is. And on top of that, in assistance to the current pandemic to practice social distancing, we also leverage the AI capability on the mobile NVR solution to conduct crowd density detection, both inside the bus as well as in the bus station. So the fleet management center, they can actually more effectively dispatch the bus depending on the population and the crowd density of the bus station, as well as the crowd density inside the bus itself. As an extension to our AI capability, we also implement into the use case of autonomous vehicle. And then we partner with Intel and NVIDIA to leverage our mobile NVR with AI capability to implement onto the buses as well as a self-driving vehicle. And in doing so, we actually help reduce labor effort by quite a bit for smart city planning, especially from the public transportation. And let alone that will help preventing accident from further happening by minimizing the accident rate when the autonomous vehicle is connected with the smart city infrastructure. And lastly, we also help enhancing the efficiency and the effectiveness of the traffic control and also the traffic flow. Another interesting example I would like to share with you is intersection traffic control, leveraging our mobile NVR with AI capability. So by installing our mobile NVR onto the traffic light and also the light pole, we can actually monitor the traffic in each intersection. And on top of that, help with an emergency vehicle when they're coming to manage the traffic around the intersection to further enhance the road safety. Thank you very much for taking the time to learn about our mobile security solution today. Find out more on everfocus.com or reach out to us at our worldwide location. We are EverFocus. Your safety, our focus.
Our next company may be relatively new to the automotive industry, but its next generation smart cockpit solution is poised to fundamentally change the driving experience. MobileDrive's all-inclusive cockpit system combines best-in-class infotainment with AI, deep learning, and more to create a seamless technology solution. Please welcome MobileDrive Program Manager, Mr. T.Y. Ku, to tell us more about this cutting-edge user experience.
Hello, distinguished guests. My name is T.Y. I'm the Program Manager from MobileDrive Tech, dedicated to innovating the network smart cockpit solutions. Our multi-screen system requires only one unit to support all the car's interactive displays, meeting the needs of drivers and passengers alike. MobileDrive's smart cockpit system includes IVI, cluster, passenger display, and rear seat display, and with corresponding operation systems such as QNX, Green Hills, Android, and Fire OS, and with the ecosystem for the global market with fast communication between each display. Our single unit system allows for more interior layout space, and most important, will reduce the costs. Let's take a closer look at our commercial-ready product. This is a product overview of MobileDrive provides. We provide one head unit support up to one display, two displays, four displays, or 8 displays, depends on customers' needs. Despite the hardware solutions, MobileDrive also supports software integration, content provide, and ecosystem integration, which means we provide a complete cockpit solution to our customer. This is the cloud services we provide. We provide OTA service, e-commerce, advertisement, recommendation systems, etc. And these functions can be supported on both MobileDrive Cloud, or we can create a private cloud for our customer. And for the content, we provide a comprehensive content, including in-house driver monitoring system, and the third-party content, including navigation, music, news, etc. All of these features are open for our customer to select. And MobileDrive also provides the mobile apps that allows the customer to connect the car, mobiles, and cloud together. Here is a demo of our newly built 9-screen connected smart cockpit, including not only cluster, central screen, passenger screen, and lower console screen, but also HVAC screens, backseat passenger screens, and mobile app. Smart Cockpit built a complete and smooth multi-screen interactive experience and seamless service to satisfy personal needs of drivers and passengers. The Smart Cockpit adopts an elegant black visual style and is embellished with golden color to create a stylish and eye-catching look. The homepage uses a 3-dimensional model to dynamically display the real-time status of the vehicle, such as open or closed door, seatbelt, and tire pressure. The smart recommendation function provides the driver with personalized service notification according to the driver's calendar, road condition, or real-time scenarios. For the multi-screen user experience, we integrate a multi-screen sharing function into the infotainment system. The driver and passengers can share music, videos, or news to each other's screen to have various and more interesting in-vehicle infotainment experience. Driver monitoring system can help monitor the driver's attention and status to remind and avoid the accidents caused by the driver's behavior, such as being tired, using mobiles, or distraction. It improves safe driving and decreases the chance of having an accident. The above introduction is a product introduction of MobileDrive. If you have more interest about MobileDrive's product, please feel free to contact with us. We'll be more than happy to share more further information to you. Thank you.
Our next company's mission is to make the world greener through electric transportation. Used in 110 countries, Noodoe transforms parking lots and traditional charging stations into smart EV charging locations that generate additional revenue. At the heart of this is Noodoe EV OS, a cloud-based network management solution that we'll hear more about from Noodoe Sales Manager, Ms. Julia Lee.
Hi everyone, my name is Julia Lee. I'm from Noodoe. Today I'm going to give a short introduction regarding to the Noodoe EV OS. So if you think about the EV industry over the next 10 years, in every city, every country around the world, it's going to zero emission and also the transition to the electrical vehicle. So it's something going, but it's actually going faster than what we have thought. So those are the EV cars you can actually go to a showroom and purchase it. But many people, they may not know how many models will be launched over the next 5 years. So for example, Mercedes, they also plan to launch about like 50 EV models to the market. And with the Audi, which we have worked very close with, they plan to launch about like 30 models to the market. So as you can see from the list, it's about like 350 new EV models will be launched over the next 5 years. It's not a hybrid, but it's the EV models will be seen in the market. So I think this is going to be very shocking for the most of the people. And also this diagram shows a lot of many automakers, they were developing themselves into the EV markets. That also means that Tesla will become one of the key players in the market. So when this happens, that means in every city, every country, people will face the problem of a shortage of EV infrastructures in public settings. It will not have enough charging station in the world, and then people will start talk about it. So in every country, they will have a new company, perhaps start with the entrepreneur, or perhaps start with the new business units funded by the big corporations, get into the EV chargers. Those are the three major holders, such as car makers, electricity providers, and also the EV charging infrastructure providers. Firstly, automakers. For example, like Audi, Mercedes, for those who will make the car and also on the market. And then secondly, electricity producer, like a power plant. And then thirdly would be the EV charger infrastructure provider. So when those companies, they will try to deploy the EV charging stations on the market, it will be required two essential key technologies. Firstly, would be the required cloud-based operating systems to run the entire EV infrastructures. Secondly, would be required actual hardware that's, for example, like the EV charging stations. So what Noodoe does in those three major stakeholders is providing the two essential technology to the company that they want to electrify for the city and also for the country. So what we provide is number one, the cloud operating system that we call Noodoe EV OS, and number two would be the EV charging station that we call Noodoe EV. So Noodoe EV OS is a cloud-based operating system that will connect all the EV charger stations. So it will manage and control every action for the charging station from the moment when you try to connect with the charger, and also from the moment you try to unplug the chargers, every single step in between. So let's say when someone they plug their EV car to the stations, the Noodoe EVOs will actually tell the charger station to start charging the car. So if someone wants to use the Apple Pay, for example, Noodoe EVOs will interact with the Apple Pay gateway to process the transactions. So we provide two things. One is a Noodoe EVO's network platform, and secondly, with Noodoe EVO's charging stations to be a charging total solution provider in the city or in the country. So EV charging station is a very local business. You need someone to know the language and also know the country and also know the culture to deploy the entire EV charging stations. But those companies may not have the two essential technology, like the cloud-based operating platform and also the hardware. So when those companies, they will install and charging stations at the residential building, workplaces, destinations, pathway, fleets, and buses. So like for example, residential building will be like an apartment, a condo, and workplace will be like an office building and an office park. And destination will be like the hotel, shopping mall, library, and a hospital. So destination is like a place when people, they will go there to do their own business, like shopping, but they will not go there because they want to charge their car. So while they shop, they will simultaneously charge the car. So a pathway will means like the P stop along with the highway. So for the other special applications like fleets and buses charging, we also work with the company that they provide a customized application as well. Let's switch to another angle. We talk about how Noodoe can do for the entire transition for the EV cars, and how about from the customer perspective. They don't really care about how advanced technology we have. They actually only care it's about like user experience. So those are the three key advantages that we have. And this is the reason why make Noodoe different than other people. First will be autonomous operations. If you were to the parking lot and try to find a Noodoe charging stations, just take out the iPhone or Android phone and point to the QR code in front of the charger. You only require 3 single steps to charge: scan, pay, and charge. Simple and easy. If you're from Taiwan, the language from the phone will be the traditional Chinese. All the UI will be the Chinese too. Scan, pay, and charge. No app at all. So customer had to download the app. We also have the app to download. If you go to the same shopping center twice a week, you can download the app because it has several functions. Like they will remember your payment preference. There are also benefits for downloading the app. So we are totally cloud-based. We use the cloud to robust to pass through all the charging stations once every 60 seconds. There's no reason for a human being to do those kind of work. It means there's no one will call you at the 800 numbers and report to the issues. Because before the human eye saw anything, you will be the first one to know the issues. In addition to the auto diagnosis, auto alerts, for every error has occurred, we have a corresponding algorithm to repair itself. So if there is something going, the EVOS will auto repair itself. With the Noodoe EVOS, the customer has the central control for the entire management. If the customer they want to change their price, they can just log in and change the price. They don't have to go to every station to configure the price. So in fact, Noodoe gives the customer different choices, such as like a pricing by hour or pricing by kilowatt, and also set up the price for peak hour. During the peak hour, the price is higher, but off the peak hours, the price is lower. So set up for the weekend, also for the weekday rates. So the result for the charger owner, they don't have to do anything. They just sit back and watch the revenue have been generated. So if you got the idea how a Noodoe EV is convenient compared to other service providers, The second advantage that we have, we call the load management. If you think about any new construction, they will take into account for the new EV chargers those days. However, for the majority of 99% of the new old constructions, the building is contract at that time, the EV has not taken into consideration. It also means that all the office building, if they are more employee, they drive the EV, and we can definitely install more charging stations. It also another means that for the residential building, we can actually install more charging stations without upgrading the electricity capacity. So the last advantage would be future extensibilities. Let's talk about free charging. For example, the dry cleaner delivery, laundry to the hotel. It does make sense for the driver to use their credit card to pay for the charging and reimburse the expense by the end of the month. So is it possible for truck driver not to pay, but other people need to pay for the charging? Well, in the traditional settings chargers, you have to configure the model that you want to use, such as the free mode and or revenue generator mode. However, we can work with those like a mixed mode. We can set those two models at the same time. For the free charging, as we just mentioned, it's also one of the solutions that we have offered. Workplace charging stations, it can also apply for the two different models. If the company decides that the employee do not have to pay, but for the visitor they have to pay, we can set it for the mixed use models. Those are some examples so far. First of all, it will be like the 5-star, which is in front of Universal Studio in California. They have a use of valet parking and also valet charging by using Noodoe EVOS. It's a famous hotel in downtown LA. It's about like 100 years. Like the John Kennedy, they have been given a nomination speech in this hotel. This is a launch event for the e-tron in Taiwan. As you can see, Noodoe is nearly side by side on the stage.
Now that we've taken a look at the latest in e-mobility, let's move on to the second half of today's webinar, Automotive Parts. This section will feature representatives from Chu Hung Oil Seal, Hua-Jie, Uni Auto Parts, Lucidity, and DEPO. Kicking off our automotive parts section is Chu Hung Oil Seal, also known as CHO. Founded in 1988, CHO is one of the worldwide leaders in sealing technology. The company's 35-plus years of specialized expertise serves the auto industry with high-quality water and oil-resistant seals for trucks, trailers, wheels, power steering, and more. Please welcome CHO Sales Manager, Ms. Annabella Chien, to tell us more about Centurion, the new generation of wheel end seals.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to CUB, founded in 1988 by our president, Mr. Shen Huang. We are based in Nantao City, Taiwan, and have 460 employees. CHO manufactures oil seal for OEMs and the aftermarket for industrial and automotive application, which make up 60% of our company's sales. Our focus is on heavy-duty, truck, trailer, agricultural machinery, and commercial vehicles. Oil seal may not be very glamorous, but they are very important. They fill the gap between the automotive components, thus ensuring no leakage, blocking lubricants from leaving the bearing, and dodging dust and other contaminants from penetrating the machinery. Seal helps achieve better fuel economy and decreasing repair and maintenance requirement, increasing the average lifespan of the automotive component. To guarantee our sealing product meet automotive requirements, CHO is a qualified IATF 6949, ISO 9001, and ISO 40001 supplier. I would like to emphasize one thing regarding our IATF 6949 certification. CHO is not only certified as a manufacturer, we are also certified as a designer. This is one of our key differentiators when compared to other Taiwanese seal manufacturers. We have the saying at Chu, we not only make the seal, we provide the best seating solution to the world. Our main market right now is North America, where we are the qualified Tier 2 supplier for Class A truck and trailer wheel hub system. From 2013 to 2020, we provide more than 10 million pieces of our original patent design seal for this particular application. This is a great honor for Chu with this opportunity and showing to the global market that MIT products are excellent. At the same time, it brings Chu to another new page for providing 60% of its product to automotive, which more than 40% to industrial application. We know the vital role wheel hub seal plays in the overall protection of hub. And this is why we have introduced the second patent design wheel hub seal, the Centurion. Our patent is not only in Taiwan, but also in China and the US. We did a lot of market research before developing Centurion. We collect load of the failure mode from the Class A truck end user, fleets, wheel hub, and axle system manufacturer. If a seal fails, you can be sure that vehicle downtime and expensive repair are not far behind. The most frequent cause of a premature seal failure is damage to the seal during installation. How Centurion design can solve this failure mode? Let's take a look at details of Centurion design. A part, OD with half rubber and metal design. It reduces installation variable, which may cause the leakage and remain the best seating performance and provide a secure fit in the hub. B part, exclusive patent anti-dust closure design. The anti-dust closure ensures high resistance against contaminants like water, dirt, and grime. Contaminants can get past, providing superior durability and protection against the element. C part, innovative bumper. This arch bumper can prevent the over-installation to avoid the installation failure. D part, grease. Grease is applied to avoid dry friction and provides multi-protection against contaminants. E, air side. Metal coverage provides heat transfer during the initial rotation stage. F, wide rib. With rubber rib provides easy installation and protection against damage to ensure proper seating capability. This is our cross-reference chart with other global brands. We can provide the same warranty for on-highway truck and tractor with 3 years or 350,000 miles guarantee. If you would like to know more about Centurion or any other CHO product, please feel free to call or email us anytime. Thanks for your time today, and I look forward to receiving your feedback and questions soon.
Our next company has over 30 years of experience in developing products that help switch the driving experience to the future, literally. Hua-Jie is a global touch switch manufacturer that develops innovative components to improve the user experience. Here to tell us about the newest switch design, please welcome Mr. Frank Wang, Hua-Jie's Director of Automotive Business Division.
Guests of the industry and the media from around the world, good day. I'm Frank, and I'm happy to have this opportunity to introduce the Hua-Jie Group. To improve the user experience, the new design switch is here. Hua-Jie Taiwan Corporation headquarters is in Taiwan, Taoyuan, and now have 6 factories in Taiwan and China. Employee 900 people. Hua-Jie specializes in the production of the switch, with more than 1,000 different kinds produced. More than 1 billion are produced in 2020. Our products can be divided into 3 major groups. One group, switch. We have tech switch, detect switch, slide switch, and micro switch. Group 2, for acoustic components, piano, bar speaker, microphone. Group 3, sensor transmitter controller. Measure the level, pressure, temperature. Imagine you are sitting in the car system while driving silently. If the click of the switch makes you feel uneasy, I hope this is the silent switch. Finally, let me talk about the ATS60 product. This product is solve the problem of the feeling noise of a switch. We consider silence as a design concept when creating a noise-reducing driving environment. At the time, you can feel at ease and comfortable in a car. To reach the requirement of mute, we use a silicone as a rubber material. There is no sound with the push this switch. To achieve the better decline rate performance, we use the soft materials. The design of the contact brand is patented. More flat deformation will be avoided. The new design provides a more stable with the contact. This switch over a long travel. The material's comfortability is fully utilized, which in a 1.3 mm stroke with no pressing. Vibration is reduced by having a thick top and narrow bottom. To ensure your safety while riding a heavy motorcycle, you will wear protective clothing and gloves. This is the problem. The welding gloves prevent you feeling a quick sense of touch. For heavy motorcycle riders, the ATSR84, this solution intended to overcome the problem of unclear click response. When wearing gloves, 1 kg pressing force is ATSR84's design requirement. Even if you press with a gloves arm, you will get a clear click response. The innovative design pushes the material limit in order to attain high stress and durability. 3-dome design provides 1 kg pressing force. Ductility has improved. The operating stroke is pushed up to 0.9 mm using a combination of soft and hard silicone materials. And this gave the best performance of the hardness and smoothness. To achieve a high level of durability, the force direction of the cap is surpassed by a multi-layer structure and R-angle design, allowing less for 200,000 operatings. A well-designed product is essential. The point is also to provide a high quality and consistent manufacturing process. We have 25 years of design of manufacturing experience, and we have developed on quality inspection function for production lines, letting us to successfully regulate process quality and reduce material usage. K2 Smart Technology, real-time online quality inspection, digital inspection data analysis, visual production information, big data quality inspection control, core technology, FEN analysis to calculate the operating cycle and analyze the material fatigue stress. Stress analysis, find the location where the structure can be easily damaged. Mold flow analysis to reduce the probability of the mold operating failure. Most people probably don't know of Taiwan Hua-Jie, but if you have used Xiaomi toothbrush machine, sipped ground coffee from a Delogic coffee maker, pressured Logis mouse, or used an HP printer, in fact, you may already have used the Hua-Jie switches. For day to night, our switches are all over your life. As a medium between a human and a machine, the switch was originally designed for function, and then the design requirement was stable to maintain product consistency. However, differentiation is becoming one of the current design requirements, especially in automotive products. Each brand design concept and the car manufacturing process differ. As do the specification of the switch parts, we vary according to the needs of each company. Hua-Jie understands customer needs and can provide customized product service based on years of experience in R&D and production. If you would like any more information, we invite you to visit our website and contact us at any time. We are Hua-Jie. Thank you for your attention today.
How easy is it to sit back and relax in your car? Our next company, Uni Auto Parts, believes that everyone should feel comfortable while driving, and they've made it their mission for over 50 years. Please welcome Regional Manager, Mr. Patrick Chang, to tell us more about Uni Auto Parts luxury car seats that serve global brands such as Mercedes-Benz, Ford, Honda, Kia, and more.
Hi, I'm Patrick Zhang, Sales Region Manager at Uni Auto Parts. Uni Auto Parts is the biggest car seat manufacturer in Taiwan. We produce OEM seats for Nissan Taiwan, Mitsubishi Taiwan, and also produce seat parts for Ford, Honda, and so on. We also produce our seats for Fuzhou Benz at our China factory. For the overseas market, we provide seat developing platform for OEM and ODM customers to shorten their development processes, and also manufacture products including green energy vehicle seats, office seats, and more. Additionally, we conduct research and development catered to customers in the aviation industry, yacht industry, motorcycle industry, and more. We also design the different needs of each seat guided by our company's value: honesty, innovation, and harmony to best serve our customers' needs. The automotive seat market is expected to reach $60 billion by 2025, fueled by sales of luxury vehicles in developing countries, a surge in demand for climate control seat technology, and lightweight seat frames. Uni Auto luxury seat is now the third generation, and with touchpad and the wireless charger. Our direction for the luxury seat is lightweight, convenience, and healthcare. The seat is more for MPV cars such as Mercedes-Benz V-Series, Toyota Alphard. We also expand to the tourism market like small bus and tour bus. The seat recliner is available for 165 degrees, almost flat, very comfortable. A small issue is, while the seats become full flat, the user is not easy to control the touchpad. To solve this issue, we are also processing next generation product with touchpad angle adjustable to have the user more convenience. The most important thing for vehicle seat is safety. As a traditional seat manufacturer, we have all the seats with strength certification, ARTC in Taiwan, CCC in China, and the EU for Euro market. Besides OEM, ODM service, we also make our seat product for the car tuning market. The most popular being the luxury seats for limousine cars. We will show you the best introduction as following. The luxury seats comes with touchpad control and add-way power adjustment, such as forward and backward slider, up and down recliner, up and down footrest, forward and backward footrest. We also have headrest with up and down power adjustment along with butterfly side menu adjustment. The seat function includes ventilation, heating, lumbar support, and massage to help relieve the tiredness of the journey and to increase the comfort of the car. The massage function complies with vehicle safety regulation with an airbag massage part to ensure your car is both safe and comfortable. The seat memory function includes one button retraction and 3 sets of position memory function. After getting in the car, just one button, you can adjust your preferred setting to give yourself the most comfortable experience. Thank you for your listening. Please feel free to contact us if you have any question. Here you are, the website and the email address for your reference.
A brighter future for drivers lies ahead thanks to our next company, Lucidity Enterprise. Lucidity's mission is to bring brightness and safety to the world's transportation through comprehensive vehicle lighting products including LED lights, incandescent lights, reflectors, and more. Today, we have Lucidity's VP of Sales and Marketing, Mr. Jerry Huang, and Section Manager Vera Chen, here to illuminate 3 innovative new products lighting up the roads.
Hello, friends from the industry and media. I'm Jerry from Lucidity. Today, I'm here to show you why we are the best choice when you are looking for high-quality vehicle lightings. In the commercial vehicle lighting industry, Lucidity has more than 40 years of experiences and building steady connections with over 150 key partners worldwide. In these 40 years, Lucidity insists on fulfilling every request coming from our partners and always customize a flexible solution to satisfy their needs. Because making a better and brighter world is what we want to reach. No matter what you need, from heavy duty to light duty, from interior light to external light, Lucidity is committed to supplying new products through non-stopping innovation process and following the highest standards. I believe Lucidity is your best choice. In the next session, our session manager Vera will introduce our American product line to you.
Hello everyone, I'm Vera. I think many of you might be tired of seeing the same kind of lights on every vehicle and everywhere. Lucidity develops more than 60 new products every year to offer unique, eye-catching and outstanding new designs and list the latest trends in the vehicle lighting industry. Today, I'm going to introduce you to some of our newly launched products. The first one is the 22060 Light Guide series. This 4-inch round rear lamp looks like every other lamp until you light it up. The X-shaped light in the center employs one of our latest optical innovations called Light Guide. This technology enables a versatile and slim design of the light, offering a trendy appearance to your vehicle. Next, let me introduce the 22078 Turbo series. The translucent and smooth effects of the outer ring of this lamp not only looks elegant but also offers visual comfort to other drivers. It provides excellent visibility at night, improving road safety. Moreover, you will be amused to see the different effects of the lamp at different angles. All our rear lamps are sealed for IP67, meaning that you can submerge the lamp underwater without any problem. In addition, the components are solidly welded to resist shock and vibrations. Finally, I would like to talk about the 22795 Luxtension lights. These extendable interior lights are one of our most outstanding developments. You can expand and multiply the luminosity by interconnecting several modules together up to 6 pieces at a time. And no matter how many modules are added, you will only have one single power input, which saves cable connection and labor costs. Its superior optical design provides good distribution of light without hot spots. And it also comes with PIR sensor option for an intelligent power saving solution. If you are interested in our product for the American market, please visit Optronics website for more information. And for other markets, please visit Lucidity website or you can contact us via email directly. We are looking forward to hearing from you, and thanks to all online friends for participating in our presentation today. See you next time. Goodbye.
Last but not least, we have DEPO Auto Parts here to wrap up our webinar. DEPO was founded in a small town in central Taiwan in 1977 to carry out its philosophy of perfect auto lamps, perfect safety. 2 decades later, it brought that philosophy and high-quality replacement auto lamps to the North American market through its local distributor, MaxZone. Please welcome DEPO's marketing coordinator, Ms. Lena Chang, to tell us more about DEPO's expertise in providing replacement auto parts for North American drivers.
Hi everyone, I'm Lena Chen from DEPO MaxZone Auto Parts. So MaxZone is a subsidiary of DEPO and headquartered in the North America region. For DEPO MaxZone Auto Parts, we are a global aftermarket suppliers providing lighting solution. Did you know that in the recent published report by NHTSA that more than 12 million vehicles were involved in police-reported traffic collision in 2018 in the United States? Of course, we don't wish for people to get hurt, but the fact is, after the car accidents, the first things that we want to do is to get our car repaired so we can get back to our daily routines. Well, this is where DEPO comes in. We provide an extensive life of high-quality replacement auto lamps to help the driver get their car repaired most cost-effectively. DEPO has been operating in the North American market since 1997. With the biggest coverage in replacement auto lamps, we are the market leaders. Our name is not only recognized by direct channel partners, but also by repair shop and insurance company. We are known by our channel partners as a premium brands that provide a line of quality lighting product backed by efficient service. As technology involved in auto lights recently, DEPO continues to invest in people and equipment to stay atop of the industry. We also continue to expand our product offering by invest heavily in R&D each year. So you can get a deeper understanding of DEPO current product line from this page. Not only do we provide solution to need to repair markets, the replacement lamp, we also provide the want to upgrade markets. This is what we call the performance light, which come with unique design and sometimes with better illumination technology to help the vehicles look different, sharper, or even safer to drive. In addition to these two categories, we also provide other car parts, including car mirrors, door handles, and cooling system. So as mentioned, owners want their vehicles repaired fast so they can get back to the daily of the routines. The primary objectives for DEPO is to provide vehicles owner a viable source of auto parts which can be used in repairs. When it comes to vehicle repairs, the fact is that the American customer don't have a whole lot of choice. They can use the auto parts from car dealers which are supplied by car companies, or they can use the alternative parts made by companies like DEPO. DEPO, with one of the biggest product catalogs for the US, has been rolling out new product at faster rates than similar companies, so we can provide customers with more choice. We also keep our price affordable by automating production, warehousing, and R&D. In addition to replacement lamp for passenger vehicles and pickup truck, we also offering extensive line of replacement lamp for commercial grade, like heavy-duty truck. We expect a light to achieve the high standards in terms of form, feet, and function. Therefore, one of the unique states in our R&D process is called VTF, which is Vehicle Test Fit. In this process, our engineers will install DEPO lights on vehicles for which the lights are intended for and make sure they fit the vehicles like gloves. In the VTF process, we also make sure the cosmetic and function works as well. We also keep improving our packaging to reduce damage rates when delivering and insisting on using reusable, eco-friendly materials to protect the environment. So in order to convince the customer to use alternative part made by DEPO, we make sure the quality and the workmanship of the product meet the high expectation for the American customer. Unfortunately, there are a good of parts supplier who bring in low quality product and sell them cheaply. This ruins a lot of the effort made by the quality-minded companies like DEPO. So to counter this, we do marketing. We get our parts certified, and we work with the same quality-minded channel partner. So in these slides, you can see a real-life example of how a Volvo VNL series truck experiences a better illumination by using DEPO LED performance headlight. You can see from the picture of the original light, which is relatively warm yellow lights with a bit of bluish tint around it. So what DEPO did is to upgrade the whole lights to LED version. With brighter illumination, this can help drivers see clearly when driving at night. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce our DEPO brands and product to you. Through the years, we have become known worldwide as a brand known for excellent quality, competitive price, and professional service. If you are channel partners and are interested in working with DEPO to distribute our product in your region, we are very much look forward to hearing from you. You can simply visit our website at www.maxzone.com for more information or send an email to maxzone@maxzone.com. Again, thank you so much for listening.
Many thanks to all of our speakers and to all of you for joining us today. If you have any questions or feedback for the speakers or would like to further contact the companies with a quotation inquiry, please feel free to fill out the Q&A form and post-event survey in the description box below. Your feedback will help us improve the quality of our future events. Today was just a glimpse at some of the cutting-edge products available from Taiwan. Our Taiwan Excellence Award winners represent the very best of Taiwanese industry, meeting strict standards for excellence in R&D, design, quality, marketing, and manufacturing. Stay tuned to the Taiwan Excellence website at www.taiwanexcellence.org for more information on the best-in-class products from Taiwan, including our wide variety of automotive industry parts. Thank you again for attending today's webinar, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye.